like to welcome everyone on our day 1 and opening of our Lunsod Lunsad Creative Entrepreneurship Training Program.
The City Local Government Unit of Tuguegarao would like to have an ironclad commitment with each and everyone to promote, advance, develop the local industry, and at the same time to boost the tourism of Tuguegarao City.
Sana madagdagan pa tayo at lalo natin at seryosohin natin to sa 3 araw na to. Malaking bagay po sa ating creative enterprises ito. Muli, salamat sa LGU Tuguegarao City. Sana maging produktibo ang ating training.
Itong lungsod ng SAT ay isa lamang and marami pa ang mga susunod na programa under this Malikhaing Pinoy program and also under this PISIDA.
Pag kinumbine niyo po ang art, business, tsaka technology, makakahanap kayo ng solution no matter what the crisis. Kasi 3 perspective niyo eh. Mahirap po na isa lang ang perspective, business lang. Mahirap naman ang perspective mo, technology lang. O kaya creative ka lang. Pag pinagsama mo yon, you can actually bring out the power of the 3 skills.
Important na meron kayong content calendar for your brands kasi napakahirap natandaan yan lahat. And for you to plan your content accordingly, mag-visualize nyo siya in a way na from start of the month hanggang dulo. For awareness, important na hindi siya information heavy. Kasi nandun ka pa lang sa kinuha mo ba lang yung attention nila. If they're really interested sa product, doon tayo papasok sa evaluation stage.
Kayo po yung magiging pag-asa namin. If there are problems in the other industries, the new industries, or if it's not a new industry, if it's a rebirth, a growth for you, a new avenue, kayo po yun eh. Para there are other aspects in government service and public service and other aspects and other sectors in Tuguegarao City na uusbong, na uunlad, no? So kayo po yun. Little by little, whatever challenges will be there, will be, your presence in itself means that you want the same thing as I do, no? So, congratulations to all of you for joining, and I hope you learned a lot of things, and I hope you enjoyed while you were learning. And thank you so much. Sana po tulungan nyo ang pamahalang lokal ng Tuguegarao City. Samahan niyo po ako sa journey ng paglilinis ng gobyerno at pagsasaayos ng gobyerno.
Mismo doon sa Tuguegarao pa lang, ang dami nating mga kababayan who are into the creative industry. At sila yung gusto nating tulungan. At napakaswerte po tayo dahil Tuguegarao City is one of the recipients of this law through the program Lunsod Lunsad. Part yun ng pag-promote natin ng creative industry dito sa bayan dito sa siyudad ng Tuguegarao. In fact, sabi ni Mayor, gusto niya ang Tuguegarao City ang magiging creative hub in northern part of the Philippines. Sa inyo kung lahat na nandito, thank you for finishing the course, for completing the course, and rest assured, DTI will continue to provide support and cooperation to uplift the ating creative sector in the city of Tuguegarao.